Hello students, today we will start our new exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Here we have to find the nature of roots of quadratic polynomials. If they are real roots, we have to find them. Means if here we have to first find the discriminant. If discriminant is equals to 0, means roots are real and same. If d is greater than 0, means the roots are real and different. If d is negative, then roots are imaginary. Let's start with, here we have three questions. I will solve only two questions and one question you have to solve yourself. First of all, 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Comparing with standard equation, ax plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we get a as 2, b as minus 3 and c as 5. We know the formula of discriminant equals to b square minus 4ac. So b square is minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 5. So minus 3 square is 9, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So 9 minus 40 equals to minus 31. So the roots are imaginary. Question number 2. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4. Here by comparing with standard polynomial, we get a equals to 3, b equals to minus 4 root 3 and c equals to 4. We have to find discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So b square is minus 4 root 3, it's 16, and root 3 square is 3. So 16 into 3 equals to 48, and 4 into 3 into 4 is 48. So 48 minus 48 equals to 0. The roots are real and equal. So by using formula, we know that the formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. By putting the value, we can find the roots. That is, we know that minus b is minus 4 root 3 and b square minus 4ac, that we know that delta is 0. So this is cancel out. So 4 root 3 upon 6 equals to, so 4 and 6 is cancel out. We can reduce it. So we get 2 by root 3. Question number 2. Here we have to find the value of k having a quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 equals to 0. First of all, we have to compare with standard equation, standard form ax square plus bx plus c. So we get a equals to 2, b equals to k and c equals to 3. Here we know that we have to take d equals to 0. So b square minus 4 is just, we have to put the value of a, b, c. So we get k square minus 4 into 2 into 3. We get k square minus 24 equals to 0. So the value of k square equals to 24. This minus 24 on another side become positive. So k square is equals to root, k square is 24. So the value of k is equals to plus minus root 24. By solving the value of root 24, we get plus minus 2 root 6. In same way, in question number 2, first of all we have to compare this with standard form of equation. Here this is a standard form of equation. We get a equals to k and b equals to minus 2 and c equals to 6. So by discriminant b square minus 4ac, we have to put the value of abc minus 2b 2k square minus 4 into k into 6. So we get 4k square minus 24k equals to 0. So the value of k 0 is not possible. So 4k minus 24 equals to 0. So this minus 24 on another side become positive. So 4k minus 4k equals to 24. So value of k equals to, this 4 is in multiplication, on the other side it goes in division. So 24 upon 4 is equals to 6. Question number 3. If possible to design a rectangular mango groves whose length is twice its breadth and area is equals to 800 meter, and we have to find the length and breadth. Suppose the breadth be x meter and the length be 2x meter, because here we know that the breadth is, whose length is twice and the breadth. So the breadth be x and length be 2x. According to the question, we know that the area is equals to length into breadth. So x into 2x is equals to 800. So 2x square equals to 800. So x square is equals to 800 by 2. So we get x square equals to 400. 400 is the square root of 20. So value of x equals to 20. So the rectangular mango groove is possible whose design breadth is 20 and length is 40 meter. Question number 5. It is possible to design a rectangular park with perimeter 80 and area 400 meters square. So find the length and the breadth. Let's consider be the length be x. So the perimeter of rectangular park is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into bracket x plus breadth is equals to 80. So the breadth becomes this 2 on another side become divisible. So 80 divided by 2 is equals to 40. So the breadth becomes 40 minus x. We know that the area of a park is equals to length into breadth. So x into 40 minus x equals to 400. So x is multiplied with 40, get 40x, and x is multiplied with x, so we get x square equals to 400. Now this 400 on another side become negative, so we get x square minus 40x plus 400 equals to 0. Now splitting the middle term we get, or we can factorize, we get x square minus 20x minus 20x plus 400 equals to 0. So the value becomes x minus 20 equals to 0 and x minus 20 equals to 0. So the value of x equals to 20. So the rectangular park is possible with design of length equals to 20 and breadth equals to 20. 40 minus 20 is equals to 20 meter. Thank you students. You have to solve this all question in your notebook. Thank you students.